In this example, we're going to go over how to use this formula called write, where let's say you want to grab a fixed length of characters starting at the end position of each string. So in this example, dog poop scooper, let's say I want the last four characters, O-P-E-R, in snake tamer, A-M-E-R, C-H-E-R, S-T-R, etc., from each of these strings. It's advantageous to use the write formula when you have all of these strings that are a different number in length. So bird watcher is longer than hippie, and professional eater is longer than coin collector. Because we're starting at the end, it doesn't matter how long the string is. So how to use it? Let's do it. Press equals, because we're going to use a formula. Type in write, open parentheses, then tell Excel where is the text. Here's the text right here, D6. Press comma, and then enter the number of characters that you want starting from the end of this string, 4. I want the last 4. Close it and press enter. O-P-E-R, is that what I want? Yeah, it is. Copy, and let's do everything to do that to everything. Paste it. A-M-E-R, snake tamer, S-T-E-R in weather forecaster, P-P-I-E in hippie. It grabbed the last 4. Let's say I wanted, the last 8. Let's change this 4 to 8. And then let's copy this new formula and paste it below. There you go. Scooper. Why does it look like, this is scooted over? How many characters is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where's the 8th character? What it grabbed was the space. So keep in mind that spaces in Excel are also characters. Look, in snake tamer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters, and it also counted the space. So that's 8 in total. Same with watcher. 7 characters and then the space. There you go. Hippie. Oh, actually, look at hippie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 characters, and because that's it, it's going to grab the entire thing. So that's how you use write. Use it whenever you want to grab 100 characters beginning at the end of your 1 million length string.